Hi, this is Parvej and today we will learn how to create ladder logo. In this video, I'll show you ladder logo design process step by step and design EXD ladder logo. I think you will learn something from the video, so keep watching and practicing with me. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon below for new notifications. First of all, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle and make size 100 into 2000 pixel. Then hit OK. Then select the rectangle and hold Alt, drag and drop on first rectangle right border. Then select the first rectangle and hold Alt, drag and drop on second rectangle right border. Then hold Ctrl key and press D 8 times for 8 more copy according to distance. Now we can delete the second rectangle. I just took it for space measurement. Okay, just select and delete the second rectangle. Then take ellipse tool and draw a circle on 16th column. Okay. Then select additional 2 rectangle from right side. Okay, and drag and drop here. Then select the circle with columns or rectangle and make vertical align center. Then select the circle and go to object, path, offset path and set offset size -100. Then press OK. Same do 2 more times. Okay, it will be circle border and it will be space and it will be ladder, right? Then select the circle and rectangle groups and make group. Then select 2 additional rectangle and go option, transform, then go rotate and set rotate angle 90. Then hit OK. Then select the rectangle group and drag and drop on the circle group like this and select all. Make horizontal align center, then vertical align center. Need one more horizontal rectangle. For that, select the rectangle group and make ungroup and make copy by pressing Ctrl C B and just drop here and then make it group again. Okay, then select the rectangle and go option, transform, rotate and set rotate angle -45 degree. Then make copy, then select the rectangle again and go option, transform, rotate, then set rotate angle 45 degree. Then press OK. Now select 2 rectangle and go to align, make horizontal align center, then vertical align center. Then select the rectangle group and just drag and drop on the circle group. Okay, then select all and go to align, make horizontal align center, then vertical align center. Okay, the grid is ready to design. Now I will draw EXD ladder logo from the grid. For that, select all and take shape builder tool. Okay, and start draw from here. At first I will draw logo border. Okay, just draw and join. Just watch and practicing with me. Okay. Perfect. Then I will apply the color on the logo border. For that, take shape builder tool again and just click the plug and just one click. Okay. Now I will draw letter EXT. For that, select all and take shape builder tool and start draw from here. Okay, just start draw from here and make E. Just draw, join. Okay. Perfect. Then I'll draw letter X. Okay, perfect. You have to ensure every joint and corner, otherwise you will not get proper segment. Okay. I have made mistake. Just draw. Perfect. Okay. Then I will draw letter D. Draw. Oops, I have made mistake again. Press Ctrl Z and start draw again. Okay, complete. We have to check and recheck every joint and corner. If we made mistake, we will not get proper segment. Okay. Now make ungroove and hold shift key and select the logo object. Then make groove, then make copy. And just drag and drop here. This is the final work. In this way you can design any letter logo. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.